Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Africa, location, political divisions and physical features. What are the things you know about the continent of Africa? Africa is the second largest continent. Three important lines of latitude. What are the three important lines of latitude? Equator, Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn pass through this continent. These are some of the facts about the continent of Africa. Today let us study, today onwards, let us study in detail about the continent of South Africa. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. How many continents? There are 7 continents. What are they according to their size? First one, Asia. Second one, Africa. Third one, North America. Then South America. Fifth, Antarctica. 6, Europe. And the last and the smallest continent is Australia. These are the 7 continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. The largest one is Asia, and the smallest one is Australia. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Second largest continent in the world. And the 3 important lines of latitude, Equator, Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn pass through this continent. Let us study in detail about the continents. First one, Africa. Introduction. Africa is the second largest of all the continents of the world. Africa, first one is Asia, then the second largest continent is Africa. It has 54 independent countries. There are 54 independent countries located in the continent of Africa. How many independent countries are there? There are 54 independent countries. The equator passed through the middle of the continent. Equator divides the continent of Africa into 2 parts. Okay, equator is almost passing through the center of the continent. Almost passing through the center of the continent. Most of Africa lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Capricorn. Major part of Africa is located between the tropics. What are the tropics? Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. What are Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn? The imaginary line passing through 23.5 degree north of the equator is called the Tropic of Cancer, and another important imaginary line passing through 23.5 degrees south of the equator is called the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, then what is equator? Equator is an imaginary line divided the earth into 2 equal parts, that is 0 degree latitude, 0 degree latitude. Equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into 2 equal parts. Northern part of the equator is called the northern hemisphere and the southern part of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. Okay. Then most part of the continent of Africa is located between the tropics. What are the tropics? Tropic of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, then political division. Let us study how politically it is divided. Most of the countries of Africa were under the Europeans for a long period of time. The Europeans conquered most part of the continent of Africa and they ruled over it for a long period of time in the past. By the second half of the 20th century, by the end of the 20th century, most of these African continents got their independence, become free from the control of the Europeans. However, South Africa got independence only in 1994 from the white minority rule. South Africa was the country which was got independence at last in the continent of Africa, and it got its independence only in 1994 from the white minorities. Okay, white or English people were ruling the country of South Africa, and it got its independence only in 1994. The 6 countries of Africa in the north: Barbary State, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya and Egypt form a part of the region called the Middle East and the North Africa. 6 countries which are located in the north of the continent of Africa. What are the 6 countries? Barbary States, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya and Egypt. They formed a group and it is known as the Middle East and the North Africa. Middle East and the North Africa. The larger part of Africa is intertropical Africa, lies south of Sahara Desert and is called Africa south of the Sahara or Sub-Sahara Africa. Okay, the large part of the continent of Africa located between the tropics, Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, and it is located on the southern side of the Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert, what is the speciality? It is the largest desert in the world. Largest desert. The largest desert, Sahara Desert, is located in the continent of Africa, and the south of this Sahara Desert called Africa south of the Sahara or the Sub-Sahara Africa. Then location and its extent. Africa comprises about 1/5 of the total land surface of the earth. Okay, then in north-south direction it extends from 37° north to 35° south. That means located equally between north and south of the equator, north and south of the equator, 37° north and 35° south. Cape Agulhas is the southernmost point. It extends from 17° west to 51° east in east-west direction. That is the longitudinal extent of the continent of Africa. Now let us study what are the boundaries of the continent of Africa. Africa is the second largest continent next to Asia. Asia is the largest continent and the second largest continent is Africa. It is surrounded by many water bodies. In the north by the Mediterranean Sea. Where is the location of the Mediterranean Sea? Look. The Mediterranean Sea is located here. In the north it is bounded by the Mediterranean Sea. Bounded by the Mediterranean Sea. Then in the northeast by the Red Sea. Look at the location of the Red Sea. Where is the northeast? Northeast is bounded by the Red Sea. Then Indian Ocean, and in the west by the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean located in the east, and the Atlantic Ocean west by the Atlantic Ocean. Western side is bounded by the Atlantic Ocean. Western side Atlantic Ocean. Western side is bounded by the Atlantic Ocean. These are the some of the boundaries. Northern side Mediterranean Sea, eastern side by the Pacific Ocean and the Red Sea, and the western side by the Atlantic Ocean. Now let us see what is in the south. Okay, the Strait of Gibraltar link the Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Strait of Gibraltar. Where is the location? Strait of Gibraltar separate the link the Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Look, where is the location? Strait of Gibraltar. This is the location. Strait of Gibraltar, which connect or link Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, then Atlantic Ocean, or it is separated the Atlantic Ocean from the continent Mediterranean Sea separate the Atlantic Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. Then the Strait of Bab el-Mandeb separate Africa from Arabia. Bab el. Look, where is the location? Bab el-Mandeb, between Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. It is connecting Red Sea with the Gulf of Aden. Then Africa is connected with the continent of Asia by the Isthmus of Suez. What is Isthmus? What is Isthmus? Isthmus is a piece of water which connect, not a piece of water. Isthmus is a small landmass which connect two larger landmasses which connect to. Where is the location? Isthmus of Suez. This is the area. Okay, Isthmus of Suez connect Asia with the Africa. Connect Asia with the Africa. And it also connect Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. The Isthmus of Suez connect Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea, and it is also connecting the two large landmasses, that is Asia and Africa. That is Asia and Africa. Africa is the only continent which is crossed by the three main latitudes: Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and the equator in the middle. These are the three important lines of latitudes passing through the continent of Africa. What are the? Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and the equator. Equator is at 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degree north of the equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degree south of the equator. That is the end of today's class. Thank you very much for listening to my class. Thank you.